and welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're going to make a antioxidant cooling eye gel. Okay, to make your antioxidant rollerball eye gel, you'll need a few ingredients. To start with, you'll need a simple cucumber and cranberry gel, calendula tincture, oat straw tincture, and hibiscus tincture. Okay, this is a really easy recipe to make. You simply take your 16 ounces of simple cucumber and cranberry gel and pour it into your beaker or a container. Okay, and then you simply add your tinctures. So I'm going to just go ahead and pour that calendula right in there. And the reason that I chose calendula and oat straw and hibiscus is because those are all, calendula and oat straw are very soothing, which is great for the eye area. And hibiscus also has some properties, some really great antioxidant properties, and it helps soothe and cool the eye area. Okay, so we put all those in there and we simply blend all this together. I'm just going to whisk it together, nice and easy. And we get a nice consistency, a much thinner gel than what we started with, which is perfect for using in a rollerball. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my whisk out of there now that we have our cooling eye gel done and show you an example. So this is the rollerball. It's a glass vial. It holds 0.02 pounds, and it's pretty cool. It's really easy to use. You just put the roller ball right on there. You can order these online. Obviously Amazon will have them, or you can find them locally if you prefer. So we hope you enjoy your new antioxidant cooling eye gel. Click the More button for a complete description and recipe. And please be sure to subscribe for more great videos. Thanks for joining us.